So tell me what happened to the birds. What happened to the birds?
Nothing.
Mm.
I think a big bird came and tried to eat him, but he accidentally escaped and he didn't fly.
Mm. Huh?
This place is for conservation volunteers.
Okay.
So it's a bird sanctuary place. So we're just finding some way until someone comes.
That's why we're surrounded where the bird is still there.
It's very hot, isn't it?
Hmm? It's a pity there's not even a worm around.
Are you gonna have a baby? Are you?
Maybe he hasn't died, just a worm.
I'm gonna dig for worms.
You can't dig, you don't have a shovel.
You can sometimes if you
gonna
get a
use
stick,
my
sometimes just no, if you get a little stick sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Please stop.
Oh, I can see an ant.
Where?
Look, see something moving? Hey, you
Stop.
almost supposed to look over there.
Try your foot, Adrian. Look, there's an ant there.
Land! Quickly!
Does he eat ants?
I'll use this stick.
You'll be miles away. You're miles away from the
Can you just get him?
Got him.
Is it the...
No, don't worry, don't worry. You need something more like a worm, really.
Yeah, but Aiden, can you like pick up the ant?
I'm gonna try and get that out. Would you eat it out?
Okay. No, you get the ant, you get the ant.
I'll squash him.
I'm pointing to it on his
What
head.
piece of paper?
Do you have... Isn't...
Who had a piece of paper?
Okay.
Axel, what gonna do with this bird?
I hold him for a bit. I try and hold him.
Axel, take too much.
I'll hold it like this so you don't drop it.
Let's call him Lucky. Like him. Let's call him Lucky. Let's call him Brownie. No.
If I don't let go, I will...
What about Smiley Axel?
Smiley.
What about
But why is it yourself?
what about Lucky?
Ben.
Should I call him Lucky?
Yeah.
Actually, it's Mum
My hands are
full
dirty.
of
My hands are
Lucky.
dirty.